guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be giving you a room tour because in this vlog we are staying at Seda Ayala Center, Cebu. Thank you so much, Seda, for having us. So this is a Mother's Day special stay and we're right now at the club suite room. So a mini tour. Say hello, Daddy.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Mommy. Our queen. Thank you so much for the fresh flowers, Seda.
The fruits too.
Yes. May pa-note pa sila, guys. Oh, very nice. Feel so loved. Free snacks.
About the wine.
And the wine. So this is the club suite room where I was earlier. Now we're going inside the club room. So Mommy's going to show you the club room. And beautiful paintings, comfortable beds, the bathroom or shower room, however you want to call it. Yes, they have hot and cold.
Hot and cold here.
Yes. Let's go to the next room, Mommy. Oh, say hi to my sister, guys. Nasa sila ref, no?
Yeah. You can have a chit chat here with your friends.
Yes. This is the living room.
Here is the
Bedroom.
bedroom. Charan!
Bathroom.
Okay.
Oh, shower. So, option na rin you guys. You can shower or you can use the bathtub however you like. And, of course, the toilet is there. And, guys, you don't have to worry about bringing your essentials. Kaya na sila essentials included.
Okay.
Yes.
Toothbrush. Lotion. And
Yes,
the
computer,
shampoo,
guys.
the conditioner, and soap. Okay.
Someone's relaxed. I particularly like this corner of the club room. I like the vibe there. Like, can you imagine reading a book there? Think. It's like a thinking corner for me. So yeah, I like that corner. This is the view at night from the club room.
ako'y buga. Dahil
I like Seda's mascot. It's a teddy bear. Special thanks to the Seda ACC team. Thank you so much to Miss Gwen for thinking of me, for thinking of us, and to the rest of the staff, the team at Seda ACC. Thank you, Gia. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. We're so grateful. The family is so happy. We enjoyed the stay so much. We had a great weekend. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. And no, I'm not putting flowery words here just because, but we really genuinely had fun. We enjoyed the whole stay, and it was exactly what we needed, especially Mom. She works so hard at home. She doesn't know how to hit pause, so this is really perfect timing. And you guys, if you want to stay here for a vacation, if you're not from Cebu, or if you're from Cebu, you want to do a staycation, check out Seda Ayala Center Cebu's Facebook page. They also have a website, which you'll see on the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!